Okay, hey, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, also representing B2 Audio, B2 Audio USA, and we have a new product that's actually been here for a month, but as most of you all know, and if you didn't know, I had back surgery, and I've been on this walker here, so I haven't been able to do videos or testing or things like that, but I'm in the office today, and I want everybody to see this because this will blow your mind. So, B2 Audio, wait, before I even start, hit that like button. Leave a comment now. It could be even, hey, Big Jeff, you're looking good.
You're good. You're looking good.
Get whatever it is, and you can leave it on at the end, but hit that like button. All right, so the CXPs was our hybrid, which we had 8-inch, and they sell very good. And the 8-inch, very high-end products down to the voice coil, the spider, everything. And obviously the loudspeaker world, right, is getting bigger and bigger. So we wanted to come out and keep up with that. What you're looking at here is the two newest models. It is a 10-inch CXP and a 15-inch. Now, man, it's so hard to even understand it, but this is 15 inches. Huge. Imagine this just being your loudspeaker with a compression horn. Now, let me turn this over too. All right. This thing's got some weight. Now, the 10-inch is a single voice coil. The 15 is a dual voice coil with, right here, easy to replace diaphragm for the compression driver that comes with glued on a bass blocker. Now, you could either leave it on here and clip on or take this off and use your own DSP, crossovers, whatever else. It was made for this, so if you wanted to run one line to this, you can put it all together. 4 ohm, 4 ohm, and 4 ohm. But because this isn't like an actual speaker or subwoofer, it's really not the same impedance as 4 ohm. It's not going to restrict it down, but you're going to be just under 2 ohm, which most of your loud speaker full range amps are doing their power at 2 ohms. So this is perfect setup. Now, the 10-inch is a single, and I have that one hooked up. Now, the 10-inch actually is rated at 300 watts, double that, 6, and I only have maybe 50 going to it just so you could hear it. But this thing even has, let me turn on the Big Jeff cam.
Big Jeff cam activated.
It actually has double tinsel leads. Really crazy. Nice push terminals. Venting on the copper coil. Now, the 10-inch is a 2.5-inch voice coil. 2.5. The compression driver is a 1.75. 92 dB in frequency response. Get ready for this. 33 hertz up to 18 kilohertz. Whoa! I mean, you're talking about some serious mid-bass and playing all the way up there. Now, I just have some music up here. Now, one, you can hear how loud that's playing, and this is just a cheap little bookshelf amp from Audio Pipe, maybe 50 watts, and it's sounding crisp and clear, and I have it all hooked up just using the bass blocker, and you can see that speaker moving in excursion. I can only imagine if this was in some type of baffle or some type of seal, this thing would sound incredible. The difference between this and the 15 is same 2.5, 1.75 compression driver. Frequency response is 50 hertz. Why would you say it wouldn't be as low? Well, I'm going to look into that because it doesn't make sense, but who's really going to play 33 hertz to this? It's not a subwoofer. Okay, same thing, 4 ohm here, 4 ohm here, 4, 4, and 4. Okay, these are interchangeable, 4 screws, pop it up, put a new voice coil in, no big deal. Okay, so these are called hybrids. Why would somebody want something that big?
Why? Why?
Well, if you want to get loud or you want a big frequency response, right? You're trying to get as much as you can out of one thing. You're basically having your compression horn, a mid bass, and a mid range all in one. And let me tell you, now, let's talk about pricing because that's what really matters at the end of the day for most people. Not everybody. Some people buy quality, and this is quality. Okay, normal map prices. Let me explain this. We sell these in a set. This is not for one. This is for two, so the price is incredible. The 15-inch is $449. I think it's supposed to be $499, but we're going to go over that. And then the 10 CXP is $399. But while we're making this video right now in April, which I think there's some time left, you can actually get this The 10-inch, I think, for $339 for the set and $382 for the set. Now, again, pair. They're sold in pairs. B2 Audio sells everything in pairs. Tweeters, drivers, coaxials, everything except for subwoofers. They're sold singular. That's the easiest way. I don't know how many times over the years people have gotten so screwed up going to eBay, Amazon, or a website, and they can't tell from the picture, but they think they're buying two and they're only getting one. Well, B2 Audio said no. People are buying two. Generally, that's what they're getting, two. So everything's sold in pairs. Keep that in mind for the $400 and the $500 pair. And I can tell you, this thing is huge. I mean, huge cast aluminum basket, nice voice call, push terminals. I mean, this thing just looks killer. So if you're interested in them, we don't have many left. The first run, we just kind of got a test run. We did have the 8-inch CXPs, which do very well. This was changed up. And then I want to show you something different on the 10 and the 15. So if you notice, the 15 actually has this grill over it, which is kind of cool, right? Now, we are coming up with different grills that will cover the whole thing, and that's something we're working on the next run. Big shout out to Rick Fornes. He actually, well, he was a little bit and only went with the 10s because he said he couldn't go with the 15s, but I think after seeing this video and seeing the size comparison, he would have went for this. But leave your comments in this video because this is first run. And what we'll do is make minor changes from feedback from you. And I'll contact Jay at B2 Audio and say, hey, customers are saying we need this, this, and this. And hopefully on that second run, we will do that. I also want to have a comeback. It looked like it was dual tinsel leads, but it was split off at the push terminal. It's actually one solid lead. But let me turn on the big Jeff cam here. And you can see the tinsel leads are still pretty thick. And pretty thick. Okay, so check out b2audiousa.com, or always you can buy it at bigjeffaudio.com. If you're watching it now, there is still tax time sales. Save yourself some money. Get yourself these. We are going to be coming out with a newer version 8 to match this, and also a 12-inch. Now, obviously the 15 is not your everyday, but I'll tell you what, if you have space and you want something super loud with a huge bandwidth of frequencies, these are the way to go. So we're talking about the new Rage CXPs, 10-inch and 15-inch. Hey, if you didn't do it before, leave a comment. I'd love your updates. Hey, good, bad, the ugly, doesn't matter. And thank you for all the love and support through this back surgery. Trying to get through it and get walking back on my feet. But we're going to start getting some videos done. Just have to do it here in the chair. I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com. Also representing B2 Audio and B2 Audio USA with a new product alert. I'll see you on the next one.